Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. Because I've got two different options or two different ways to check the serial number, I'd like to show you first of all the fastest option. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you a little bit longer way. However, it will be useful if, for example, you will forget the secret code or for some reason it will not work. So let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's take a look at this first section, and right here we've got model and serial number, and as you can see it will appear at the bottom of the list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.